The 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, clock, power windows, fog lights, compass, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.